Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into UnitedHealth Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of July, 2025, our system has categorized UnitedHealth Group as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 7.25. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock suffered a decline of negative 11.54%. This equates to an average loss of negative 2.89% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and downward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further declines within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 20% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 32% to a decline of 3%. In terms of a longer horizon, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of around negative 40%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decline of 51% to an increase of 19% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $122.97 and $297.63. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline, "Is UnitedHealth Group stock still a buy after falling 6.19% on Thursday?" The UnitedHealth Group stock price fell by 6.19% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, dropping from $266.04 to $249.56. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 5.51% with a day low of $247.76 and a day high of $261.40. The price has been volatile during this period, and there has been a 13.37% loss over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 5 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 27 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $6.85 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $630.73, while the lowest was $247.76. Currently, the price is 60.43%, or $381.17, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. UnitedHealth Group has announced the appointment of Wayne DeVade as its new Chief Financial Officer, effective on the 2nd of September. This leadership change comes amid significant challenges for the company, including a dramatic cut in its adjusted earnings per share guidance for 2025, which now stands at $16, down by 66% year over year. The adjustment reflects ongoing structural headwinds and rising healthcare costs that have adversely impacted margins and profitability. Furthermore, UnitedHealth's recent quarterly results significantly missed earnings per share expectations, primarily due to increased medical costs. As the company braces for even higher costs in 2026, investor confidence is dwindling, contributing to pressure on the stock price. Analysts have pointed out that despite revenue growth, profitability remains strained. On a broader market scale, UnitedHealth's struggles have affected major indices, contributing to a decline in the Dow Jones as it contends with heavyweights like Microsoft. Currently trading at a lower multiple compared to projected profits, some see UnitedHealth as technically oversold, offering a dividend yield of 3.3%, which might attract value investors seeking potential upside. Short-term implications include potential downward pressure on the stock as investors reassess expectations following earnings and leadership changes. In the longer term, if Divade can successfully navigate these challenges and reignite investor confidence, there may be a pathway for recovery, shifting market sentiment positively. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of July 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned UnitedHealth Group an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 30th of July 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned UnitedHealth Group an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 30th of July 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned UnitedHealth Group an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of July 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned UnitedHealth Group an overweight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of July 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned UnitedHealth Group a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to the stock of UnitedHealth Group. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as buy. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The UnitedHealth Group stock is reflecting sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal suggested by the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On any upward corrections, there will be resistance around the levels of $272.99 and $296.99. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was confirmed from a pivot top point on Tuesday, July 1st, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 23.48%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is an active sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock more closely moving forward. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 22 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 15 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 20 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 73 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 68 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock typically exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk level is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $13.64 between its high and low, representing a change of 5.51%. In the past week, the stock displayed an average daily volatility of 3.52%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 15th of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $3.73. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $274.35. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the first day of July, 2025, Hemsley Stephen J. conducted an insider purchase of 198 shares of common stock. On the same day, Flynn Timothy Patrick conducted an insider purchase of 288 shares of common stock. Also on that day, Hooper Michelle A.J. conducted an insider purchase of 173 shares of common stock. On the 1st of July, 2025, McNabb Frederick William III conducted an insider purchase of 294 shares of common stock. Additionally, on that same day, Noseworthy John H. conducted an insider purchase of 288 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 93.611. Overall, insiders purchased 873,925 shares and sold 11,097 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been established. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? UnitedHealth Group presents several negative signals and is currently within a broad and declining trend, leading us to anticipate continued weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have adopted a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last assessment. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 1st of August, we expect UnitedHealth Group to open higher by $3.35, beginning trading at $252.91. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Do not make your investment decisions based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.